Hi, and welcome back to this new video tutorial of CS Card. In today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the CS Card mobile app backend configuration settings there. As we've already seen in the previous video for the same, we saw how the homepage of the mobile application appears to the users there. Apart from that, we also saw how the users would be able to log into the account panel and the different account panel options available within the CS Card mobile application itself. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be seeing how the admin in the first place would be able to set up the different banners, how we'll be able to set up the different what we say as the sections for the homepage, like the hot deals, latest products, etc., and much more. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how the admin would be able to set up the push notifications from the admin backend panel and how he'll be able to set up the augmented reality feature for his store products there. But before I proceed further with today's video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So let's hop on to the admin backend panel of CS Card and let's see how this particular thing can be configured in the first place itself. For the same, let's hop on to the admin backend panel now. So right now I'm at the CS Card backend panel, as you can see. So what I need to do is initially first we'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. So let's log into the admin backend panel first. So I'll just enter the details and I'll tap here on the sign in button thereafter. Now after successful login, we'll find one option with the name Mobicool at the top end here. On the right hand side, you can see that we have Mobicool, and here we have around 5 different sections like the banners, homepage, notifications, pages and the AR section. Now let's go through each of these sections one by one. Now under the Mobicool banner, we'll be able to add product or the category type banners as per the requirement that would be then visible on the mobile application as well. So here you can see that we've already created the banners here, and we have set up the type as product and category there, and the location name has been also been assigned to them. Now let's see how we can add a particular Mobicool or the banner there. To do so, what we need to do is we need to tap here on the add banner button. So we'll tap here on the add banner button. That will bring up this particular section. So here we have to give the name of the banner, for example hot deals, and we can choose it as a product or a category. If I've chosen it as a product, then what we need to do is we need to here tap on the choose products, and here from the list we can choose the products or a particular product that would be there. So here you can see that 101 things should product has been selected if the banner type is of the product type. Otherwise, if it's of the category type, then we have to choose the category as per the requirement there, and then we have to choose the banner image, and we have to set the position of this particular banner as well. So after that, you just need to tap here on the create button, and that would basically create the new banner for the mobile end there, and it would be available under the banner section itself. Right? You can also, if you want, you can edit any of the ones that you have created. Tapping on the edit button, you can see that we have chosen here the banner type as camera, the banner type would be category, the position is 0, the category is cameras and photo, the banner image is there, and we have tapped here on the save button to save that particular banner there itself. Now after the banner, we have the homepage. Now under the homepage, what we can do is basically we have different sections on the homepage like popular categories or basically hot deals and latest selling products, etc. that you want to create. Now these sections can be curated under this particular section, that's the homepage section, and you can create those up and you can add the products or the categories can be assigned to the particular curated homepage sections as per your own requirement there. To add a particular homepage, what do you option there, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add homepage. This will bring up this particular section. So for example, we can set it as Black Friday sale. We can set up the position for the same. Then the filling method has to be, for example, you want to have it as manual. If you select it as manual, then you have to add the products from here under this particular section. For example, we can add the products, multiple products can be added as per the requirement there. Add products. Let's close it out. So you can see now the 4 products have been assigned if we are choosing the filling type as manual. Otherwise, you can choose it as newest. If you're choosing it as newest, then you have to set the number of products to display. the number of newest products to display within this particular one, that's the Black Friday sale. Otherwise, you can choose it as on sale, popular, and rate depending upon the rating. And for each of them, you can set the number of products to display as well, right? So this is how you can create the home page there itself. And depending upon your requirement after that, you can tap here on the create button to create the particular home page. So that was about the home page, and after you have created it up, that particular home page would be displayed here, or that particular section that you want to set up on your mobile home page there would be displayed under this particular section. Like we have set it as the type is popular, on sale, and popular. We have set the position and the title, and the number of count of products within the same has been set there. Now after that, we have the Mobicool notification. Here you will find the complete list of push notifications that you have already created, and from here you can activate or disable any of the push notifications. You can edit or delete them up, and if you want to send the push notification, you can basically choose the send selected or delete selected. Send selected would send that particular notification. Now to add a particular push notification, you have to tap here on the add notification button, and that will bring up this particular section. Here you have to enter the name for the new notification. You can choose the notification as the product notification. If the product notification has been selected, then you will have to add a product here, and you have to choose it out. Otherwise, if you have chosen the type as category, then you have to choose a particular category. Then accordingly, you have to choose an image for the push notification, and you have to enter the content for the push notification as well. Test content for push notification, right? And after you're done here, you just need to tap here on the create button to create that particular push notification itself. Thereafter, we have Mobicool pages, or the pages there. Basically, on the mobile end, when we were checking the mobile home page, on the bottom right hand corner, we had the particular section for the profile. On the profile section, on the bottom end, we were able to see the different pages like the contact us, privacy and terms and conditions and policies, etc. Tapping on that was basically displaying the content of that particular section itself. So here you can create the different pages. For example, contacts, free returns, about your company, free shipping, our team, or as per your own requirement. By tapping here on the add button, you will be able to set up the title, the position, and you can choose a page as per your own requirement. The ones that you already created within your web store there, those can be selected and can be set up. For example, you can choose payments and shipping. You can set the here as terms and conditions for payment and shipping. You can set the position there, and then just need to tap here on the create button to create the same. Now lastly, we have the AR section. Now under the AR section, as I've shown you in the previous video, we were able to check the particular product in the augmented reality as well within our environment there. We were enabling the camera of our Android device, and we were scanning the floor area there, and then we were putting that particular 3D image of that particular product in the live environment of our in our live environment there, and we were able to see that particular product in different what we say as in a 360-degree view there as well. So here what you can do is here you can add the AR models, that is the GLB file for the Android device and the USDZ file for the iOS devices there. And when they are accessing your mobile application, they'll find one icon that is the cube icon on the top left hand corner on the product page. That signifies that that particular product is available in the 3D model as well. To do so, what you need to do is here you have to tap on the add AR product button, and that will bring up the particular section, and here you have to choose a particular product. For example, I'm going with 100G pants. I'll choose it out. Then I'll upload the Android 3D model and the iOS 3D model for the particular product, and I'll set this status as enabled, and I'll tap here on the create button to create the same. Now these were the section that were the banner, homepage, notification pages, and the AR that are available within the backend of the CS Cart mobile application there in the admin backend panel there, and that's how we can configure the particular mobile application from the backend panel there as an admin of the CS Cart store there. So yes, that was much about the video today, and I hope that this particular video helped you out in understanding the particular functionality there in the admin backend panel. And if you still are having any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.